Machos 5379. Let's do this thing 5 times. Here we go. I'm going to randomize this list 5 times. Team on top of the end will go to person spot 1. Team on the bottom will go to person spot 30. It's an NBA break. It's pretty simple. Here we go. Good luck all. Machos is back, and I tell you what, it's better than ever. Here we go. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's now a choose. And 5. Top team is the Golden State Warriors. Bottom is the New York Knicks. That's 5 times. Hornets are in spot. Can't see them. They're not there. Did I even put them in? Spot 15. 5 times. Here we go. Anything you want or ever did want. Yeah. Here we go. 6 minutes left on the prediction. Good luck all. But the real good luck, hopefully, to Machos 5379. Let's do this thing. Good break. All right. Bogdan Bogdanovic, Eric Gordon, Nikola Vucevic, Jordan Clarkson, Steph Curry base. Nice. Silver, Alex Caruso. Hyper, Eric Paschal. Downtown Bound, LeBron. Kennard DeRozan. James Wiseman, rookie. And Darius Garland. Nice start. Warriors starting hot. First time you got Lakers. Good luck. Here we go. Come on, give us something nice. Red, DeAndre Hunter. And an auto of Javon Carter. Silver auto, sensational signatures, Javon Carter. CJ Ellaby. Oh, that's putrid. And Desmond Byrne. DeAndre Hunter, not too bad. He's quite a good player, so that's all right. I'll tell you what, I'll throw in another one. Let's just get something nice numbered, hey? Javon Carter. Come off it. So, let's just hyper. Damn it. Red Wave, Rob Covington. And Shaq. Hyper. Nice. Pascal Siakam, Fireworks. Skylar Mays here. Kendrick Nunn. And Killian Hayes. Up next, Hoops Blaster. Let's go. I think we're looking for episode 104, if that starts today. He's done good. He took the week off, and it let him get onto proper days, which is good. Handy. Blue, Terrain Prince, Skylar Mays, and Peyton Pritchard. Of course, big day tomorrow. Jersey swap, Bucks ×2. Elijah Hughes there, and CJ Ellaby. Blue rookie, nice, Cole Anthony. Nick Richards and Kmart Jr. Good luck, Conrad, with the Lakers. Luka Doncic base. A lights, camera, action, Damian Lillard. Tyrell Terry, RJ Hampton. Purple, Chris Dunn. Precious Achiuwa and Leandro Bolmaro. Vanity Plates, Barrett, James Wiseman, and Kira Lewis Jr. Transcendent coming November 5th at this stage. I hope it stays at that stage. Once again, Rookie Remembrance, Cam Reddish. It's a Reddish party. Frequent Flyers, Derek Jones, Vernon Carey Jr., Zeke Nagy. The prediction is how many questions I'm going to get right in a trivia contest. Arriving now, Isaiah Stewart, Saban Lee, and Jaden McDaniels. Lights, camera, action, Ja Morant, Danny Avdia, Onyeka Okongwu. 10 questions. Will I get 8 or more right? Blue, Joe Ingles. I'm pretty good. Jordan Nwora, Jalen Smith. Throwback issue hanging with Vince Carter. Oh, thank you, Isaac Okoro, Isaiah Stewart. Thank you, Bailey. That'll be handy. Of course, separate prizes for Twitch and The other one. Here we go. Jalen Smith, Donovan Mitchell, Jarrett Culver, Brandon Clark, multicolour. Brandon Clark, Rui Hachimura, Dev Vassell, and Tyrese Maxey rookie selections. RJ Barrett, Saban Lee, Pascal Siakam courtside, and a Giannis holo, blue. Vid's going 6 and yes. Oh, I don't know. I'm nervous now. CJ McCollum. And Saban Lee Tricolour Shock, I believe they're called. Tabby, I think I put too much pressure on myself. I'm nervous. Chris Paul, I'll be topping. Jaylen Brown. Silver rookie selections, Isaiah Stewart. On Tabby now, I'm nervous. Zion, Michael Porter Jr., and Aaron Nesmith, blue holo. Recon up next. Oh, God. Someone bet like 25,000 points or something the other day. The free packs on Twitch aren't working yet. I'm an idiot and don't know how to do it properly, so I need to make sure that Robert Woodard, Theo Maladon, Lamar Stevens, Zion Williamson, Patrick Williams, holo for the Bulls, and Kobe White for the Bulls, future legends. So that's all recon base sent. Tillman, Curry, Vucevic, Baisley, blue to 99, Duncan Robinson, and eyes on the prize, Chauncey Billups. Jackson, Simmons, Capella, Barrett, holo, Ricky Rubio, and sky's the limit to 109, Kevin Durant. I have no idea how it works. Stanley, Nawara, Young, Embiid, pink, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Jimmy Butler, rookie review for the Bulls. Optic Hobby coming up. How exciting. Stewart, Trent, Paschal. For the Bulls, auto gold to 10, Nikola Vucevic. Thank you for following, getting lunch. Jason Tatum, holo, and Rock the Rim, Westbrook. Pokusevski, Perry, Schroeder, Randall, bronze, Fred VanVleet, and DeMar DeRozan, rookie review. Red, Clint Capella to 109. And rookie recon, Jashawn Tate. Holo, Josh Green for the Mavs. And Jamal Murray, maneuvers, blue to 99. Come on, big auto for the next one. White, Mitchell, Horford, Markkanen. A pink, Paul Reed. And Adebayo. Nice pink basketball Paul there. Tobias, Hunter, LaMelo Ball, and the auto is for the Nets. Bruce Brown. LaMarcus Aldridge and Shai Gilgeous-Alexander maneuvers. Here we go. Final box of the break is Optic Hobby. Here we go. When's the question thing gonna happen? Should be soon, I reckon. It'll be. I'll see if it's up straight after Machos. He's usually not too tardy. Alrighty, here we go. Let's do this thing. Final box. Here we go. Isaac Okoro, rookie. And Elite Dominator is Ja Morant. Brook Lopez. Pascal Siakam. All-Stars, Giannis. Thank God. Unless someone's put there. Oh, yep. Lowry, Bridges, Allen, Silva, Jackson Hayes. Yeah, usually around 7 p.m. Reddish, Barnes, Nico Mannion, and an orange rookie, Zeke Naji for the Nuggets, numbered 74 of 199. Oh, God, I just nearly collapsed the lung. Jonas Valanciunas to 49. On-card auto blue. Zeke Naji. Tabby, is he any good? Yeah. Is he getting minutes? Zeke Naji for the Nuggets. Oh, running threes, Duncan Robinson. Jeez, we just hit like a key card of his. That's worth nothing. Steph Curry base. Oh, Tabby, why'd you tell me? Cole Anthony and Elite Dominated Giannis. We just need to get a gold vinyl now. That sneeze damn near collapsed my lung. That's not even joking. Trey Jones rated rookie and a silver Damian Lillard. WWE Women's is sold out. Oh my God. Lime green, damn it. Lonnie Walker the 4th for the Spurs. Numbered 89 of 149. That'd be another nice short print. Geez, WWE Women's sold out. You'll love to see it. Kira Lewis Jr. and the rookies, James Wiseman. I can't believe it's been up for that long. Bingham, Jaren Jackson, Ben Simmons. Silver lights out of Brandon Ingram again. Oh, thank you, Aaron, for smashing those last spots in the WWE. Daniel Turu, blue All-Stars, Ben Simmons. Numbered 6 of 49 for the Sixers for now. Cassius, Winston, and Elite Dominators, Kemba Walker. Bradley Beal, Dwight Powell, Andrew Wiggins. Silver rated rookie, nice, Tyrese Maxey. Bit of a line down. I don't know if that'll come off. I don't know if that's like external. Yes. Optic Choice also sold out. Excellent. That's the one with some prizes in it. Paul George. Devin Dotson. Black Velocity for a Spur veteran. Keldon Johnson. Number 26 of 30. Oh, it's upside down, so I don't know. 26 of 39. Looked like a 9 to me, so that means it's a 6. Keldon Johnson, Black Velocity. Beautiful. Sekou Anthony Davis, Blake Griffin. Chauncey Billups, rating 3s. Thomas Bryant, Terry Rozier, Fred VanVleet. Lights out, Anthony Davis. Turn that shit up. Giannis, Luka. Jeez, good pack. Obi Toppin. Silver, Chris Middleton. Very off-center. Holiday. Orange. It's been a Cam Reddish party tonight. Orange, Cam Reddish, numbered 76. Yes, of 109. I can't do numbers at the moment. Like, looking at them upside down is killing me. Buddy. DeAndre Hunter, Nick Richards, and All-Stars Ben Simmons. Final pack. Give us a gold vinyl. Last pack. That'd be nice. It's just a silver, damn it. Oladipo, Marcus Smart, Bertans, and a silver All-Stars, Devin Booker. And that is that for Machos 53. You know what? I'm throwing in another pack of Prism. Why not, eh? To celebrate the return, hey? Let's get something low-numbered. Alrighty. Damn it. Where are all these low-numbered cards? Silver, Mitch Robinson. Silver Fireworks, Kawhi. Downtown Bound, Trey. Langston, Tyler Bay. Kawhi Leonard, and Udoka. And that is that for Machos 53.79 officially now.